stairs that go down that way. Formal living room. House. Dining room. Skylight.
Exactly. Yeah, you make them come too low, they're like, you think cool.
Get out of here. I turned on the light for you.
Hey, appreciate it. Peninsula. Closet. So this will actually probably be turned into an apartment. This apartment. And then we will probably close this wall. We'll leave that door open. This will probably be turned from this hallway into a powder room. And then this, we might open up these two parts. And this is a bathroom that will be for apartment level 1. It has hookups for washer dryer. And then if you go upstairs, and there's a bathroom here. We'll try to do stackables here. And then bedroom number 1 up here. Another bedroom number 2 up here. And then this is the larger of the guest bedrooms. This is bedroom number 3 that's upstairs. And then this is 4. This is the primary. It's a pretty good size closet. There's like a little makeup room here that will actually turn this into like a little kitchenette. That will kind of like go in this larger space here. There's also another closet here. So these are really good closets. And then this is the primary bathroom, which is really, really big. And then, so let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 up here. And then potential apartment downstairs, off to the right.
Yeah.
And then
That's what makes it this up. This ultimate filtration.
So downstairs, and this is the second kitchen. Down here. That should obviously be another apartment. And then out past here is where there's another bathroom. That could be, you know, could be better, but it has a window. And then this is the garage bay. I'll probably do a washer and dryer down here as well. closet.